Friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. We have a little midweek haul at Walgreens and over at the Dollar General where we have some freebies and some very cheap items. And I did try a couple other new things over at Walgreens that I'm going to share with you guys. Just little one-offs. We're not doing like a big $50 basket or anything like that today. Now, I do want to say that yesterday I made a video, Ross's Dress for Less, their 49-cent sale that should have been starting on the 27th. Many stores have started to put the 49-cent sticker on a multitude of items. Christmas was the first category to go as predicted. And according to the manager, on the 20th and the 27th, those two weeks, more stickers on various sections are supposed to go. Clothing, beauty, home stuff like towels and stuff. None of those items. It was only Christmas I was finding yesterday. So if you want to try early next week or at the end of the month to go back to Ross's Dress for Less, really might be worth your time. I found 19 items. I could have gotten 10 carts full of stuff. I found so much, but I really paced myself. So you might want to check out yesterday's video if you have the store. It's really fantastic. So in the Walgreens app, first thing this morning, which is Wednesday the 15th, we got a 3 back when you buy 2 dental care products. That's for next week, and a 7 back when you spend 30. So that is a little bit better, and we like a $30 basket as opposed to a $50 or $40 basket. Load both of these, find them at the top of your digital coupons folder, and I hope that you got them as well. The first item that we have is a complete freebie. It is these 2 for $4 Hallmark Valentine's Day card. Has to be a Valentine's Day card. So no big surprise. I got the one with the kitten smiling and it just says Happy Valentine's Day. So I picked up 2 of them and I got like cards, and they are 2 for $4. Now, we got this coupon on Sunday, which is a 4 off a 2. So you guessed it, it's going to be free. The weird thing is, guys, the coupon isn't attaching in the app, but a lot of stuff isn't working properly in the app since they did that app update. So here it is, 2 of these cards at $2 a pop. That's $4. Subtracting that digital coupon, I think you're paying tax on this. That's it. So it makes the 2 cards completely free. I would do this as soon as possible, and kind of a leap of faith deal again because the digital coupon in the app is not attaching when you scan the barcode. It's really bizarre. It just comes up with an error message. So go figure that one out. These double packs of the Axe Apollo. So it is like a brick style deodorant, but it's a twin pack. And they're on clearance for like $2 and let me look at the receipt. $2.79 each. And I thought, I'm going to try something, and if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. We have this 5 off a 2, and will it attach with the clearance deodorant? Yes or no? I mean, we'll figure it out. So 2 of these is $5.58, and that 5 off a 2 actually did attach. So I paid 58 cents for the 2, or 29 cents for each double pack of deodorant. So that's a really good price point, especially the cost of men's deodorant lately is very expensive. So this is a good deal. These 2 deodorants by Dove, the sprays, one is $2.99, one is $3.49. The mint one is $3.49. So I thought I would try that deal that I tried on Sunday again because a lot of you were saying you were having success with the dry sprays. And I'm like, I'll try it one more time. Why not? I loaded this friend again, which is the 6 off a 2, and the coupon did not attach. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So in theory, it should have worked, but it didn't work. So 2 of these deodorants was $6.48. I'm subtracting that digital coupon. I would pay 48 cents. $2 register reward should print. The machine was down because there's been so much snow that the machines have been down. It would basically make it for free. The manager gave me a credit of $2 in Walgreens cash. And for that 6 off a 2 digital that did not come off, I got in touch with customer service and they gave me a $6 credit on my card. So I still got it for free, but a bit of a workaround. So if your store is super strict, you obviously can't do this deal. But for some people, it's working. I don't know if I'm grabbing just the odd cents that are not. Axe worked, but this one did not. I did do this deal to grab 1 paper towel and 1 toilet paper by Scott, and they are on a buy one get one 50% off. You don't have to load a coupon, it's just coming up that way. So it's $7.50 for the 2, And then on Sunday, we got these very generous coupons, which are dollar offs. Unfortunately, my store was completely out of toilet paper. So the store 20 minutes away had the toilet paper in stock. Load these two coupons, very basic math. Two of these products is $7.50. Subtracting the $2 in digital coupons, you'll pay $5.50 for the two, or $2.75 per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. If you use checkout 51, if you want to double the deal, you can photograph your receipt to get an extra $2 back for a toilet paper and paper towel by Scott. They have those rebates. Another freebie that you should be doing this week is with the Colgate, both the brush and the paste that are $4, $3 reward when you purchase two, so you'll pick up one brush and one paste for $8. And we had some digital coupons that showed up on Sunday morning, which were really generous. It's $2.50 off of each. So that's basically $5 off, which is really fantastic. Load both of these. So your cart should look something like this, one of each. So this is $8 right here. And following the math here, both products, $4 a pop, that's $8, subtracting $5 in digital coupons. You're going to pay $3, get back a $3 register reward, making it free. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use $3 in Walgreens cash to earn that register reward, but how lovely is this deal? The final store that we have is the Dollar General, and I want to give a special thank you to the Geeky Banana Saves on Instagram and on YouTube. She has a little channel if you want to go and follow her. She does a lot of Dollar General, and she posted this on Sunday morning about 3 freebies. This is a total of $7.40, and basically if you threw this into a Saturday basket, I mean, you'd be a third there for a $25 basket. So that might be the smarter way, just like the Kenny Rogers song, maybe it's the time to hold them, because I'd rather do that to have bigger savings. Freebie that we have are these Bueno bars, which you will find at the front, Kinder Bueno. It's $1.40 off, and that expiry date isn't till February the 15th. So it makes it a complete freebie for one of those little candies. So, I mean, I would just load it and just wait for a Saturday to bulk up a basket. These dollar Kotex are found in the regular feminine care aisle. We have a 2 off a 2, and the expiry date for that coupon is February the 8th. Just load it because it is a gift. It's fantastic. Who doesn't love these little freebies? And if you're at an updated or non-updated store just picking up these items, it's just going to be a complete freebie because there is no overage with them. And then the elusive Airwick Advanced Plug. This guy expires also on February the 8th. So you can do the 3 freebies in a little cart, or alternatively, you can save them for a Saturday and do it with a 5 off 25 basket. You'd need obviously a bit more than the $7.50 for your basket, but you would be a third there with these items. So that's what I'm going to be doing, but I just love some freebies. While you're in this store, I would definitely look around. Is Christmas worth going there next Tuesday the 21st? Because a lot of this stuff is going to be dropping down to a quarter. It's part of their really big Christmas clean out, very smart business thing. This one store had everything packed up at the front. So when it gets close to 10 cents or a penny, they're just going to bring it all in the back. It's easy to just move it. But it might be worth scouting your store, seeing what they might have. And if you guys are interested in Ross Dress for Less, watch the video linked right here, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.